Hello guys, welcome to another video. This time we're going to do a bike check. This is my Totalbmx Sandstorm custom bike. So we're going to start from the front and work our way to the back. To start, I got Totalbmx Sandstorm bars. They're 8.5 high and 28.5 wide. I got the Totalbmx GS fork, Mark Webb signature fork. The tire is a Demolition Momentum in 2.35 with Eclat trip-in rim, Totalbmx tech spokes and a Colony Wasp female front hub. Then we'll go to my frame. I'm running a Totalbmx Sandstorm in 20.5. Back end is 13.0, so it's pretty short. I like it. The seat is a Totalbmx logo seat. Then for the cranks, I've got 175mm hangover cranks. Pedals are Salt Plus ones. They're insanely grippy. I love them since I run them. So. For the sprocket, we have a Salt Plus center sprocket with a Salt Plus Warlock half-link chain, both in oil slick. Then on the back wheel, you've got another Momentum 2.35 inch tire with another Eclat trip-in rim, Totalbmx tech spokes and the Colony Wasp female cassette hub. We'll do a sound check. Pretty loud. So then for the inner tires, I got two Schwalbe tires. Don't have any valve caps on them, but don't really like it. So doesn't matter. I guess that's all the parts. So thanks for watching the video. This was my Totalbmx bike check. Shout out to Ronnie Remo for making all these sick parts, and to Ghost Racing BMX Shop for making this bike possible for me. So, if you liked the video, please hit the like button, comment what you want to see next for a video, and subscribe. Peace!